2006 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, keyless entry, heated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.